Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are gonna drop the Mi Note 10 Ultra from the one cam height from the ground. So let's get started. Before we drop the phone, let's unbox the phone from the box. So here you can see guys the box. Let's unbox it. Oh guys, the phone looks really amazing in the hands. Oh, the display of the phone is really fantastic guys. I am a fan of it. The design guys. Wow guys, what I can say there guys, you can see it. So let's go to our drop location and drop the phone. Here we come to our drop location. Let's hang the phone to our drone. You can see guys, the phone is hanging on our drone. Let's fly to the one cam height from the ground. Here you can see guys, the phone is approximately 1000 meters high from the ground. In a few moments we are gonna drop this phone. So let's start the countdown. Ready guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I wanna find you. Here you can see guys, the phone is completely shattered from the front and the back. The phone takes the impact really hard. It's unable to survive this test. Unfortunately guys, the phone is no longer here to see this amazing moment of it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe my channel, turn on notification bell, and comment down below what you liked about the Mi Note 10 Pro Ultra. And guys, we are also doing a giveaway of this phone. To enter this giveaway, you must like this video, share this video, and comment down below about this video. And finally, thanks for watching.